Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizo.com. Today's video is about Umkhokha the curse. Tifa is back home after he was admitted at the hospital because he was stabbed by Mamzobe, and she said it was a mistake. Tifa told Manzimande that Mamzobe is the one who gave Mthembu poisoned water, and he went back home. When he arrived at home, he told Mamzobe and Gabsile that he told Manzimande what they have done. It's where Mamzobe decided to run away. She told Gabsile to pack her clothes because the police are on their way. After Mamzobe stabbed Tifa, she thought everything is going well. Tifa saved his wife to the police for stabbing him. He said it was not her fault. I came behind her while she was busy peeling the vegetable in the kitchen. She jumped and stabbed me by the mistake. I knew her. She's my wife. She won't do such a thing. Mamzobe heard Tifa talking with the police. She thought Tifa forget everything as she was praying for. Unfortunately, he was not. The police left their home. It's where Tifa started to ask Mamzobe why she killed Mthembu. Mamzobe got shocked and it was hard even to answer Tifa. Tifa said, "You're going to pay for whatever you have done." Mamzobe tried to, by all means, to convince Gabsile to deny the truth of killing Mthembu. Yeah, ne? Gabsile, you are on fire now. Gabsile, while she was sleeping in her room, she suddenly woke up and saw the curse rope. She jumped out of the bed and she screams help to her father. Unfortunately, the door was not opening. I wonder what will happen to Spamanda when his mother found out that he also knew who killed Mthembu. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.